Hi guys, so in this video we are going to take a look at the icon stack, and first let's enable icons at the theme options. So what if we cannot find the right icon at the icon list, like the new Twitter X icon? Well, in this case we are going to use the background image feature of the icon stack, like so. And we are going to go to a website like the icon finder. I have already searched for the Twitter X. And we are going to try to download the larger one. All right. And now let's browse that icon. It's somewhere here. No, this is a smaller one. No related. No. This one. This is the large one. And bam, that's our image. So the good thing is that it's treated like a background image, so we can increase the size, etc. And that's all for the background image feature of the icon stack. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.